Welcome to Quiz Arabic Numbers Part 2. Let's level up your Arabic number skills. Ready? Let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following is arba'a ashara? Is it 14 or is it 12? Spot on. Excellent answer. Arba'a ashara means 14. You're climbing higher with every question. Question number 2. Which of the following is ثمانية عشرة? Is it 18 or is it 19? Outstanding. That's absolutely right. ثمانية عشرة means 18. You're reaching new levels of mastery. Question number 3. Which of the following is 20? Is it 20 or is it 11? Excellent. You're unstoppable. 20 means 20. Keep counting your way to greatness. Question number 4. Which of the following is اثنتا عشرة? Is it 12 or is it 13? Well done. Excellent answer. اثنتا عشرة means 12. You're acing these questions. Keep it going. Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.